Go. Go, go, go.
Ah! Look at all that snow. So let's go.
Alright, go.
We gotta close the door. And lock it with the keys.
It's not locking.
Leave it.
There's something wrong with the door. I got a four-wheel drive.
Oh my sneakers are black, now they're white. I'll follow your footsteps. Damn. Somebody needs to shovel that.
You are.
Nah.
Right after.
Oh my god.
You want to walk through the streets or through the sidewalk?
I don't know. We're done.